Hello and welcome. Want to use Qwen.Ai on your Android phone? There's no app for it, but you can still get it on your home screen. Let me show you how. First, open your preferred web browser like Chrome or Brave. Now, go to the Qwen.Ai website. Now, open the official website of Qwen.Ai. Once the page loads, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the browser. From the menu, tap Add to Home Screen. Click on Install. Now go to your home screen and you'll be able to see the Qwen.Ai app on your home screen. And that's it. You've got Qwen.Ai on your Android home screen without needing an app. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.